Hello, my name is Kiana Love, and today I'll be presenting the educational blogs, analysis, and critique. The first blog site that I will be presenting is Emerging EdTech. This blog was founded by Kelly Wash. Kelly states that he uses his blog as a platform for writers to share their knowledge and ideas in educational technology, and I got that information from the Emerging EdTech 2020 website. This blog site is one of the internet's fastest growing educational technology resources. This site aims to engage students and enhance learning outcomes with internet and instructional technology. And I also got that information from the blog site as well. One of the pros, or some of the pros for this website, is that it offers a wide range of technology topics to explore that are current. Things such as 3D printing, adaptive learning technology, assessments, virtual reality, gamification, and more. Wearable devices will enhance the learning process with things like AR, VR, and for students and teachers. And I got that from Shin et al. 2021. One of the cons is that this blog site only offered links to blog posts and articles. Additional resources like videos and webinars would be beneficial to teachers struggling with incorporating technology in the classroom. The next blog site is called EdTech Teaching, and this is one of my favorite sites that I researched. EdTech Teacher was created by a group of educational professionals that have worked with tens of thousands of educators for more than a decade. And I got that information from the EdTech blog site. This blog site is an educational technology and professional development provider that assists teachers in using technology to transform the classroom. I got that information from that blog site as well. Heap et al. Found that when schools switched to virtual during the pandemic, there was a need to design and develop a teacher professional development program to help teachers become successful in online environments. One of the pros that I found with this blog site is that they offer a variety of ways to assist teachers in the classroom. So they have learning events such as workshops or different online courses. They offer virtual summer workshops. They have customized trainings, and they even provide full year professional developments and they are offered in a blended learning style. So some are online, some are just courses, and some are face-to-face types of professional developments. I did note that one of the cons is that the blog posts were not geared towards professional development. So I found that to be interesting when the blog is one of the focuses is professional development, but a lot of the posts that were on the site are not geared towards professional development. And then my last blog is eSchool News K12 Education blog. This blog site connects K12 educators on the latest resources and information as it relates to the use of technology in the classroom. It is also the daily source for educational technology and innovation in the classroom. I got this information from the eSchool News blog post. This site has a section on digital issues, which has a lot of resources that can be used for digital citizenship. So in the digital issues, it has archived all of the blogs that have been written. So it's very easy to navigate. You can just click on January 2022, and then all of the blogs for January will come up. So I found this to be one of the pros for this blog site. Martin et al. 2019 states that digital citizenship is a crucial part of educational technology. Some examples of the blog posts that I read on digital citizenship were one was on effective digital citizenship programs, promoting digital citizenship during the pandemic, combating cyberbullying, are just a few of the topics that were mentioned in the monthly newsletters. And I found all of this information from the e-news blog site. Once again, one of the pros is that this blog was really easy to navigate and is free to educators. There are links to webinars, podcasts, and articles. One of the cons is that there needs to be more professional development resources. There weren't many professional development resources that teachers could use or educational leaders could use in like PLCs or something like that. And here are the references that I used for this presentation. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.